Hi, this is Raksil and welcome to another video of custom ROM flashing, custom ROM review. I daily upload custom ROM flashing guide, custom ROM review and other custom ROMs related stuff. And if you really enjoy watching content like this, then consider subscribing the channel to prove that you are not a gay bot, and turn on the notification bell too, so that you get notified whenever I upload new video in the future, right? And here we have Miui Lite Plus, and the Android version is here. You can see Android version 11. This ROM comes with POP kernel, and here are the tools application you have here. And the app opening animation is good. I flashed this ROM in f2.fs, and here is the Antutu benchmark score here, and here is the Geekbench score, right? Multi-score is good, but the single score is not good, right? And here you have, right, security level L1, so you don't have any problem watching your video, game sound, you don't have any problem. And you have game turbo as usual, you get in MIUI stock ROM, right? In Xiaomi phones you get this game turbo. And here are the special features: video toolbox, game turbo, how to say this, the plus, right? And turn on this, and here first you need to hold and enable floating window, and then press and hold here, and you can see this text and object, right? This is tab loose feature. You can copy text and save the image object. And you have sound effects for your front camera, second space you get here, kid space, I don't understand, this is in Chinese language, right? And you have MIUI left. And here the light mode, you can turn it on, and the application size will become smaller, it will become larger, right? The application size will become bigger, and you can turn it off if you don't like this feature, right? And here the Play Store is not certified. Here you can see device is not certified, right? But here I have installed Magix module, and the safety net was passing. Here you can see the safety net is passing without any problems, right? And here in Magix module I will test the safety net, and it passes. And this is the two Magix module I use, Riru and Universal Safety Net, right? And here you go, you can see my data storage is in f2.fs. File system, you can download this application from Play Store. Disk Info, this is the application name, and this is the camera. You get the stock MIUI camera here. This is the same stock MIUI camera. You get the same feature. You have dynamic modes, dynamic shots, HDR, portrait, 48 megapixel. You don't have any problem with the camera. Here you go, the same feature you get in stock MIUI camera, right? You can edit these features here, you can, right? Now here is the quick settings. You get NFC, battery saver mode, and screen recorder option, floating windows, dark and light themes, right? And if we go to edits, you can see here performance mode and car mode, right? You can enable performance mode when you are playing. To be honest, I didn't like the performance of this custom ROM. You see here I was getting frame drop in while I was doing hot drops in boot game, right? 54, 52 FPS, right? I personally, I don't like MIUI vendor based ROM to play games. I personally prefer OSS vendor ROMs for gaming. But if you like MIUI custom ROMs and MIUI ROMs, then you can definitely try this custom ROM. If you want to play classic matches, if you are not competitive players, you don't have any problems, you can definitely try. Let's go and flash this custom ROM. Alright, now we have boot into custom recovery. I assume you have custom recovery installed in your device to install custom ROM, right? So these are the files: MIUI Lite plus ROM and F2FS DFE, as I am decrypted users, and I will be flashing F2FS patch as my storage is in F2FS. Now, right now, wipe the partitions: Dalvik, cache, system, data. You don't need to wipe vendor, just wipe these partitions. Now flash MIUI Lite plus ROM. Okay, it's flashing. Now once the ROM is flashed, I will flash F2FS. If you are not in F2FS, then you don't need to flash F2FS patch. Okay, so if you have never flashed F2F, you don't need to flash this F2FS patch. You can just skip this part. Alright, right, so I will be flashing F2FS patch. Now I will flash DFE for decryption. I am decrypted users. If you are encrypted users, you can skip this part, you don't need to flash. Now if you are encrypted users, you just need to flash the ROM, you don't need to flash F2FS or DFE. You just flash the ROM and reboot your device. Okay, so here we can see the boot animation. We have successfully installed MIUI Lite Plus version 5.0 in our Redmi K20 Pro. Right, give an applause. Okay, now here in the first boot up you get Chinese language, so you need to change the language to English, right? Select English and tap OK. I don't understand the language, but still I can notice that is OK or yes, right? Now thanks for watching the video. If you enjoy watching custom ROMs flashing guide, custom ROMs review, custom ROMs update, then consider subscribing the channel and turn on the notification bell. And it doesn't cost you anything to support someone's channel, right? Thank you. Peace out. Goodbye.